Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to share 5 steps to start your first business. If you are new here, subscribe to Dream Up Reads. Now, picture this. A young man, barely out of college, with nothing but a dream and $100 in his pocket. He is a simple guy from a small town in India who dared to dream big. He, like many of us, was filled with ideas and ambitions but had little idea of how to bring them to life. His journey started in a one-room apartment with his old laptop being his only companion. His days were filled with countless hours of research, brainstorming, and planning, fueled by endless cups of chai and his unwavering determination. His dream was to create an online platform that would revolutionize the way we learn. He was passionate about education, and he believed that knowledge should be accessible to everyone regardless of their socio-economic status. However, his path was littered with obstacles. He faced countless rejections, financial hurdles, and naysayers who doubted his vision. But he had a resilience that was forged from his humble beginnings. He took each rejection as a challenge, each hurdle as an opportunity to learn, and every doubter as motivation to prove them wrong. He worked tirelessly, often into the wee hours of the morning, poring over codes, tweaking his business model, and relentlessly pitching to potential investors. There were moments of despair, of course, times when the mountain seemed too high to climb. But in those moments, Raj remembered why he started. He remembered his dream and the impact he wanted to make. And it was this burning desire, this unwavering resolve, that kept him going. Slowly but surely, his hard work began to pay off. His platform started to gain traction, investors started to take notice, and before he knew it, Raj was running a successful online education platform that was changing the lives of millions worldwide. Now, that young man is a self-made millionaire. You might be wondering, how did he do it? We're about to uncover the process. The first step to starting a business is identifying your business idea. And so, our self-made millionaire's journey began. He was passionate about technology, and he observed a gap in the market for affordable and efficient tech services. His business idea was born out of these 2 critical elements: passion and demand. Let's break this down a little. Your business idea is the heart of your future enterprise. It's the spark that ignites the entrepreneurial fire within you. But how do you identify this spark? Firstly, tap into your passions and interests. What is it that you love doing? What are you good at? What would you happily spend your days doing if money were no object? Answering these questions can lead you to your business idea. But remember, passion alone isn't enough. Our self-made millionaire loved technology, but that love had to meet a market need. This brings us to the second element, market demand. It's crucial to research and understand the market you want to enter. Are there gaps in the market that your business could fill? Is there a need for the product or service you want to offer? What are the current trends and how can they influence your business idea? Identifying a feasible and profitable business idea is a process of introspection, research, and analysis. It's about finding the perfect intersection of what you love and what the market needs. Once you have your idea, you're ready for the next step. The second step is crafting a comprehensive business plan. Imagine our self-made millionaire. How did they transform an idea into a profitable venture? The secret sauce was a well-thought-out business plan. This roadmap guided them through the maze of establishing a business, offering clarity and direction. So, what exactly is a business plan? It's a document that outlines your business's future. It details what you plan to do and how you plan to do it. The first element of a business plan is market analysis. It's about understanding the size of your market, your target customers, their needs and preferences. Our self-made millionaire, for instance, identified a gap in the market for vegan snacks, and that became their golden ticket. Next is the competitor analysis. This involves identifying your competitors, understanding their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. By doing so, you can find ways to outperform them. Our millionaire, for instance, noticed that most vegan snacks lacked variety and they capitalized on this. Then comes the marketing strategy. How will you reach and persuade your customers? Our millionaire used social media influencers to promote their product, which was a hit among their target audience. Finally, the financial projections. This is where you estimate your future sales, costs, and profits. It's like a financial forecast that helps you plan your budget and attract investors. Our millionaire projected a steady growth in demand for vegan snacks, which turned out to be true. With a solid business plan, you can move to the next stage. The third step in starting a business is gathering your resources. Our self-made millionaire didn't just wake up one day with all the necessary tools at his disposal. No, he had to pool together his resources, and it was a process, a journey. Think of it like this: you're embarking on a grand adventure, and you need to prepare. You need equipment, you need a team, and you need provisions. In the world of entrepreneurship, these translate to funding, equipment, and manpower. Funding is your provisions. It's what keeps the journey going, what allows you to push forward. There are various ways to secure funding. Bootstrapping is one, where you rely on your own savings or personal debt. It's a tough road, but it gives you full control over your business. Then there's crowdfunding, where you present your idea to the world and ask people to support it. It's a way to not only secure funding, but also validate your business idea. And of course, seeking investors. This involves pitching your business idea to individuals or companies with the financial means to back you. It's a challenging path, but it can lead to significant funding and valuable partnerships. Equipment and manpower are just as essential. You need the right tools and the right people to bring your idea to life. Once you've gathered your resources, you're ready to take the next step. The fourth step is to formally establish your business. There's an air of excitement that comes with this phase as you're about to turn your dream into a reality. This step involves a few critical actions that will bring your business into the legal and operational spheres. Firstly, registering your business name. A name is more than just a title. It's the identity of your venture, the banner under which you'll operate. Our self-made millionaire, for instance, chose a name that encapsulated his brand's values and vision. Next, you'll need to acquire the necessary permits and licenses. These vary depending on your industry and location, but they're crucial to ensure that your business operates within the law. This might seem daunting, but remember our entrepreneur's journey. He too navigated this terrain, learning the ropes and ensuring his business complied with all regulations. Lastly, setting up a business bank account is a crucial step to separate personal and business finances. This helps in managing your costs, revenues, and taxes more efficiently. Our millionaire, too, found that having a dedicated business account streamlined his financial management and made tax time less stressful. Completing these steps may seem like a lot, but they're necessary to create a solid foundation for your business. They set you on the path of professionalism and legitimacy. And with each step, you're building your entrepreneurial journey, brick by brick. Now, you're officially a business owner. But there's one more step. The final step is to launch your business and start marketing. This is where our entrepreneur's story really begins to take off. He has his business set up, his resources in place, and now it's time to introduce his venture to the world. First, he launched his product with a bang. He hosted a grand opening event, inviting local influencers, media, and potential customers. This not only introduced his product to the public, but also created a buzz around his brand. Then, he turned his attention to marketing. This is a vast field with numerous strategies, each with its own pros and cons. From traditional methods like print ads and billboards, to digital strategies such as social media marketing, email campaigns, and search engine optimization, the options are endless. Our entrepreneur started with a mix of online and offline techniques. He invested in a well-designed website and started active social media channels. He also ran local ads in newspapers and on the radio. But the key to his marketing success was not the strategy itself, but how he tailored it to his business. He understood his product, identified his target audience, and chose the techniques that would resonate with them. He adjusted his approach based on the results, always learning and adapting. This is the essence of marketing. It's not about choosing the most expensive or popular strategy. It's about finding what works best for your business, your product, and your audience. And with the right approach, you too can reach your target market effectively. And now you're on your way to becoming a successful entrepreneur. So, there you have it. In our journey today, we've identified a business idea, drawn up a solid business plan, gathered necessary resources, established the business, and launched it while implementing a robust marketing strategy. Each step is a milestone, crucial in its own way, forming the backbone of your entrepreneurial journey. It's about starting small, dreaming big, and turning those dreams into reality. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. Your journey begins now.